Given different bill of materials, we design and build systems to streamline the process of organizing and distributing a variety of raw materials, components, and subassemblies, each in varying quantities, for the manufacture of numerous end products. The ASRS is capable of identification and sorting of materials in different shapes and sizes. Once identified, pallets can be moved vertically upwards or downwards to their next destination. An underground rail cart facilitates load transport between different corridors. Orders arrive at the appointed loading dock and can be quickly inspected via a user-friendly PLC HMI system with color touchscreen. Automatic record updating is performed by the system, and storage bins are returned.